Good morning, traders. FreeTradingVideos.com. You're here with the breakout. We have the S&P up 2.25 this morning, Dow up 16, Nasdaq up 1.75, and here's the big one: oil up over 50 bucks a barrel. We are $50.92 was a lost transaction, up 277. Okay, thank you to the Fed. That will drive oil. We had the announcement there yesterday that the Fed's going to inject just over $1 trillion in $750 billion in agency bonds, about $300 billion in long treasuries, and so on and so forth. Okay, that's a great thing for the short-term economy. Major negative long-term. By printing money, they are supplying and flooding international markets, U.S. markets, with U.S. dollars. Oversupply, that devalues the dollar. What that will do is create inflation for you and I, consumers. So the people out there that are struggling right now to get by, paying the bills, things are about to become a lot more expensive for you. So those people that are just getting by, well, sorry. Oil, gasoline is going to go up. We can already see it happen this morning. I mean, oil's up to 6%. Here's gasoline up another 6 cents this morning, another 4.6%. Okay, so oil, gasoline going up. Okay, what do you want to trade, traders? You want to get involved in these companies. Okay, look at gold up 60 points this morning, 6.69%. So any commodity-related stock is going to be a great trade because of the move of the Fed yesterday. Okay, great thing for the economy in the terms that we can, we'll have refinancing coming through like crazy. So we're looking at over the next 6 months, interest rates get down around that 4% mark on 30-year mortgages, which would be phenomenal. That's a great thing. So people can refi. We're going to have a move in the market, in the real estate markets this summer. We'll start to see some properties being sold for those people that can qualify. We'll have quite a few more people qualifying now because the payments will be lower, be less. It's just a credit score issue that we have to deal with. Okay, so it's a good thing for the real estate markets. We can start to move markets a little bit. It's not going to create a lot of jobs. So there's still people that have huge unemployment. Now we're going to have inflation on top of that huge unemployment. So great short-term fix, major negative for the long-term fix. All right, I'm off my soapbox, but we can see oil up at 280, gasoline up 6 cents, and gold's a big move here today. Big move. Okay, let's go to the charts here. S&P daily. Okay, we were coming right into this resistance area yesterday of the previous, what is that, January low. Okay, I'd expect to come up to this area, the 809, 810 area on the S&P futures, E-mini futures, and then look for the rollover. Once we roll over, I'm looking for a higher low to come into play. Somewhere at 700, 720 area. May even be this support area and the 740 mark. That'd be great. So looking for the higher low to get that up leg that we've been talking about for so long. If we can get that higher low in place, we can have a beautiful up leg through the summer months. Okay, from there, then looking to drop big time on the S&Ps. I don't believe this is a low just yet, not after the Fed's action yesterday. Okay, let's have a look at USO, United States Oil Fund. Okay, here's the support resistance area. You can see this line I have right through here. They've been watching for some time. Okay, we found support right here. Support here became resistance here. We got the breakdown. Okay, tested as resistance. We got the breakthrough. Now with the news of the Fed yesterday, this is going to dramatically help oil go right back up. So I'm looking for oil to go back into the 80 to the 100 mark by probably July, August sometime this year, somewhere around that mark, which means this is going to be a great longer term trade. Now I have to be up front. I have a huge position in USO already. Okay, and probably will be looking to add to it if we can get a small intraday pullback today, or maybe even wait for this to run up and then get a pullback. But I do have a huge position in this, so being upfront with you. But this is looking to be a great trade with that news of yesterday. So thank you, Mr. Benaki. Okay, the other fund you can look at, USO is its front month contract on the crude oil markets. If you look at USL, this takes into consideration 12 months of contracts. Okay, so it's not just relying on the front month. So you can see we've got the same type of breakout here. Okay, this is a fairly new fund. You can see we only just started trading back here in November, and we're only just starting to get volume coming in. Now look at the volume coming in here recently. This is accumulation, big accumulation on this fund right here. So interesting stuff. So we can get a very nice move out of this for a longer term trade. News today, we have jobless claims 8:30. Leading indicators 10 o'clock, Philly Fed 10 o'clock, and then natural gas 10:30. Guy coming out speaking at 10:30. Okay, and that is basically it. Tomorrow's quadruple witching. So for the day traders, look for your day off tomorrow. That'd be a fantastic one to take. Thanks for attending. This is Breakout. Have a great and successful trading day.